Do you crave that perfectly brewed cup of coffee, bursting with flavor and aroma, but tired of pre-ground coffee that just doesn't cut it? Then the STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS might be your game changer. In this video, we'll explore 5 key reasons why this grinder should be your next coffee companion. Unbeatable grind quality. The STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS boasts 63mm titanium burrs. These are some of the largest and most durable burrs you'll find in a home grinder. They ensure your coffee beans are ground evenly and consistently, extracting the maximum flavor for that perfect cup. Next up, we have the stepless grind adjustment. This fantastic feature allows you to achieve the exact grind size for your preferred brewing method. Whether you're a fan of the bold French press or the smooth espresso, the STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS lets you customize your grind for an unparalleled coffee experience. Coffee lovers know the struggle of cleaning grinders, but the STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS makes it a breeze. The removable magnetic suction port allows for easy access and cleaning, preventing coffee grounds from building up inside the machine. No more messy mornings, just pure coffee enjoyment. Reason number 4. Powerhouse performance. The STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS is equipped with a robust 84W motor. This means you can grind your coffee beans quickly and efficiently without sacrificing consistency. No more waiting around for your morning cup. Finally, let's talk about design and build quality. The STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS is crafted from premium aluminum, making it a sleek and stylish addition to your kitchen countertop. It's also incredibly sturdy, ensuring long-lasting performance for years to come. 5 compelling reasons why the STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS should be your go-to coffee grinder. It delivers exceptional grind quality, offers complete control over grind size, is easy to clean, boasts a powerful motor, and is built to last. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game and experience the true potential of your favorite beans, then the STARSEEKER EDGE PLUS is a must-have. Don't forget to check the link in the video description below for more information and to see if they have any deals going on AliExpress. Thanks for joining us at Review Palace today. We hope this review has helped you on your coffee grinding journey. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech and lifestyle reviews. And, as always, stay awesome.